Peter was wrong. Wrong, guys. Wrong. Wrong. Okay. Wrong. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Did I change? We will never know. But ish. I'm kidding. Back to rubbish. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. 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 Happy Monday. What about the crypto pump over the weekend? My goodness. My goodness, Trump. What did you do? Good morning, Peter. Look at that, just the shape of his useless head. Shiva, good morning. Sagi Ayo, good morning. A, good morning. Ron, good morning. Prince, good morning. To retire, good morning. BH, good morning. Lizzie, good morning. Jeremiah, good morning. Jason Ayo, Queen, good morning. Tony, criminal, straight to jail. Charlotte, good morning. Jericho, green, not greedy, please. Good morning. Devin, good morning. Good morning, Chris. Jay, good morning. Max, good morning. Patricia, good morning. Archer, good morning. Will, good morning. George, good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. Tank, good morning. How's the weekend, everybody? How was your weekend? Regina, good morning. Dazed, good morning. Okay, let's see. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. T Future FinTech. BTOG. I wonder which one I like more, TRNR or ACON. Interesting. You know, Peter, I purposely didn't put on my glasses just so you would be wrong on, on all of your guesses. I'm like, nope, don't put these on. How's Spy looking? Ooh, Spy did really good, actually. Spy was at 582 on Friday. And then you want to see what Spy did on Friday? As we weren't on stream, like, look at this. So, the market opened in the morning and we popped and then we dropped, right? Like nothing was happening. And we had this conversation last week, right? There's no way that the market makers are going to let the market sell off all week and then sell off on Friday. Why? Because they need to destroy the bears, right? Everybody's buying put contracts. There's no way these dudes want like the market to be down so they can pay out these put contracts, right? So then getting closer to the end of the day, like nothing's happening. We're dipping, and then and then and then the market's it and what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. And then we kind of went sideways this morning and then just continued pushing higher. So we're green this morning, half a percent, but yeah. So pretty nice price action on the S&P, which is nice, right? And then and then thrust. Twitter. Let's see. Hashtag. Let's do one of these. Hashtag. And then, okay, I'm just getting my watch list ready to go. Okay. Bit of a glitch there. Good morning, Chris Thomas. Good morning. Except I know Jericho. Yeah. Good morning, everybody. So over the weekend, Trump also put out an announcement. Let me go over to Twitter and pull up his Twitter page already. So Trump's been busy spamming, spam. That was on the 28th, so that's way back when. Isn't there like another Twitter page for Trump? There's another one, right? Yeah, I think there's like a red one. Why isn't it showing me the right one though? Uh, that's not him. But maybe, yeah, maybe this dude retweeted it though. Nope. Hmm. Ayo, AK. Oh, Truth Social. Oh, okay. Why isn't that stuff posted on Twitter though? You would think it would, you know. But anyways, Romeo, good morning. But yeah, no. Over the weekend, Trump talked about the reserve for Bitcoin, and then he added ETH in there, and Solana, and XRP, and ADA, right? So a few names in there, which is nice. So with that news, this was the look at this. Look at this. This is the Trump effect on BTC. We were sitting at $85,000, right? From 85, and then what? And then thrust. And what? And thrust. All the way back up. I think we ran all the way to 95. Yeah, 95. And hit a bit of a supply zone and then came back down. So your next resistance will be that 95. You notice how we keep going back up to that 95 and backing off? So that's going to be the next breakout level if we want to push back for 100. So congratulations if you bought the dip on anything, honestly, right? Spine dips, Bitcoin dips, you're very happy this morning, right? Everything should be green. So congrats. Yeah. Anyways, he's the new Elon of crypto. He really is. Also, Trump put out a statement this morning. I think it was on Truth Social as well because it's not on his Twitter page. It said, let me go back and take a look, just like word for word, right? Trump to make investment announcement on Monday. Um, so Trump to make investment announcement on Monday, White House, and then it also said Trump also says tomorrow night will be big. I will tell it like it is on Truth Social. So I don't know. I don't know what that means. I don't know if the two are connected, like big investment announcement, or it's gonna be a different announcement. Like it's gonna be big. I think when he says like I'll tell it like it is, it kind of make it seem like it's something else, doesn't it? Hey, Dan, good morning. River, good morning. Top of the morning to you. Shaftman, good morning. John, good morning. Terry, good morning. Good morning, Luna. Good morning, everybody. Hi. But yeah, I think it'll be interesting the next 2 days at least. Hopefully, it's not more like tariff news though. That's gonna be a disaster. A disaster. So yeah, the S&P is gapping up a bit here. Bitcoin's gapping up a lot. So yeah, in terms of like momentum stocks though, let me quickly refresh the gainers list, and we can go through. And don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, what are you waiting for? Good morning, Grims. Alrighty. If you guys remember on Friday when we were doing the Discord, like streaming in Discord, we talked about this one, right? BTOG. And at the time, the stock was at 35 cents, right? So from 35 cents, it looks like it just continued this morning, right? Which is pretty nice. Pretty nice. So if you held that or if you played with that this morning, congratulations. Very nice. ACON had some news this morning. It's up 110%. Don't really care to go through the news because like it's posted in Discord, right? FTFT is also looking really good this morning. It's more of a vibe play. All of the vibes. Holo announced this morning. Holo isn't really much on the list, but it's something that because of the volume. Holo announced this morning that they were spending $200 million on buying Bitcoin. I don't know if I have it up here somewhere, but um, yeah, it's looking interesting, isn't it? Right. So if Holo can find a way to break above that 135, maybe it has something there. But Holo is known for pumping and dumping though. Like it has that negative vibe around it. But if it breaks out, maybe it's going to give you somewhat of a run. So yeah, again, they're planning on. I don't know if they've done it already. You know, Holo is one of those names where you look at the news and you're like, yeah, right. Uh, but but I'm just scrolling to the bottom of the news here. I want to see if they said they actually announced if they Holo announces it has okay. They bought $200 million of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related securities, with total accumulated dividends reaching $18.8 million. Okay, yeah, right. Pizza Holo still exists, but anyways, yeah. So they're buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin, I guess, right? BTCT looks interesting. It did well this morning. Gorilla has been an absolute monster ever since they did the splits. And then I think that's about it for the names that we like, right? I don't think there's anything else on here. So, in terms of like technical analysis, BTOG again from last week to today, especially this morning, it's found some really good support at the VWAP, at the 200, at the demand zone. So right around like 88 cents. Alrighty. So 88, 86. The usual though, like even though we have this demand zone and it's been holding this level the entire morning, there's no telling what happens once the market opens, when like all the volume comes in, right? Like these levels don't always hold when the market opens. But if you're interested in this, again, watch this demand zone. Alrighty. If you're in a position, watch that level. So anywhere from like 90 cents to 85 cents. Alrighty. For ACON is sitting in a nice supply zone. So I'm sure this one's going to be difficult to play at the open. If you're not in already, this isn't something that I would be getting excited to, just jump into, please. Alrighty. So that $7.30 seems like a double top for now. So 730 all the way up there to the next supply zone. I would be careful, please. If you're not in this one, yeah, you kind of want to see a dip. A dip to like the 200 or that demand zone at the bottom would be nice, right? What is that, $6? Yeah, right. That would be nice if we can dip there, but I don't know if you're gonna get that aggressive of a dip without halting down, right, and causing violence. FTFT has been the one that's had the hype coming into the open. This to me looks like a retest of the breakout, doesn't it? Right. So again, left hand side resistance, double top, triple top, whatever I want to call it, right? And then if you keep going to the right hand side, that's kind of the level that it's bouncing at. So I honestly would prefer for that thing to come right in between that demand zone, the VWAP and the 200, closer to 34 cents. But if that thing wants to hold that base at the open, there's nothing wrong with that. So this probably would be like the number one name going into the open, FTFT. So we're going to keep a close eye on this one. Alrighty. TRNR was the name from last week, right? Last week's, and it carried that momentum into today. You've been watching this one? Yeah. So it seems like you have some support like below $3, right? Like 280 to 290. That seems to be your support for now, Guardian. So if they can stay above that level, that'd be okay. We mentioned BTCT. This one usually runs when Bitcoin is running, so we're going to keep an eye on that. And then, of course, Holo, right? I just have Holo on here because I just wanted to look at it, but there's really nothing else. Uh, you know. Anyways, any are we missing anything, guys? We've looked at all these names, right? Are we missing anything? Let me know. Maybe we're missing Mullen, but that's about it, though. Are we missing anything? Good morning, Nikolai. Good morning, Kimbella. Bradley. Yeah, so we have 2 minutes left before the market opens, and so again, we talked about the S&P, we talked about Bitcoin, right, and the Trump announcements that are potentially coming, and the top gainers list already. So I think we're ready for the market to open, right? Are we ready? FRC. My goodness, Peter, we've been through some stuff, huh? TRNR, is that your favorite name? I think that's the yeah. So that's the question. Like, what's your favorite name going into the open? What is your favorite stock going into the open? ACON is pushing for that 730, isn't it? And that thing's like, you don't like me? No, we like you, ACON. You're just too high. So things like, yep, I'm gonna go for that 730 double top. You're scared? Don't be scared. Kaiser, good morning. Don't be scared. It's okay. BTOG, that's your favorite name. Yeah, it is sitting. Like I said, it's sitting in a really nice demand zone. These are usually the type of names that you get, the pop at the open, right? AK. So hopefully that's the case. Grim, you better be done today. Hopefully you don't see something and you're like, oh my god, I want in. right? There we go. So markets open. Let's see what happens here. Alrighty, TRNR again. We're gonna keep a close eye on that one as well. If you're not sure what to do, just give some of these names a few seconds at the open, please. Alrighty, Diane. Good morning. Again, if you're not sure what to do, just sit back on your hands and say, "Let me give it a second." You know what's popping at the open? The one stock that we needed to dip, right? ACON. ACON's like, I'm a criminal. What do you expect from me? Anyway, so again, I would be very careful with these candles though, because look at that. That's exactly what we figured would happen, right? So that thing just randomly popped, but it's dipping. So we're almost back to $7 here. But yeah, FTFT is popping right off that level, right? That retest. So that's a beautiful level, isn't it? So 37 cents back to 40 cents, 41, 42 incoming again. We always get these candles at the open, whether they're coming off support or at the top. We always get these random pop candles, right? You want to be very careful, please. Very, very careful. Not all of these names will, maintain the like the momentum. So be careful, please. Guess what's back below the abyss? Holo, $1.20. And some of these names are wild. There goes FTFT coming back down to that 37 cents again, right? Be very careful at the open because you just get random pops. I'm surprised they haven't halted ACON yet, but anyways. So Bitcoin is dipping a little bit. The S&P is also dipping and then coming back. And BTOG is still sitting in that demand zone. AK, are you in this one now, or are you just kind of watching it? 770. Dang, ACON just wants to go. 790. Sheesh. Peter, buy this thing so it gives us a dip, please. It goes $8. That thing said resistance. What resistance? What resistance? Okay. Coinbase just went stupid on the puts at the open. Did you have Coinbase puts, Wall Street? That seems like not a good thing to do. Not a good thing to do. There goes TRNR with a bit of a curl here. Good morning, CM. Keep going, Spy. Keep going. Get us back to 600. If Spy gets to 600, honestly, I'm just going to laugh. Just going to laugh. Why? Because it's funny. Just the way the markets work. Last trade of the day. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Grim sells it. Look at what's happening. Well done, Grim. Well done, Skis. I think at least that thing stayed up there, just to give you monies and then get slapped. So good thing you sold that thing at $8. Because now it's halted down. That's what happens when Grim buys and sells something. Yeah. Yeah, super weak, AK. Right? So again, regardless of, like the support levels, the resistance levels, we look at the open, like going into the open, always like random stuff always happens. Random stuff always happens. FTFT is still looking good though, right? So again, that left hand side resistance is really acting as a base now for this one, which is perfect. Which is perfect. BTI. Are we just playing with the same names now? Same names from last week, same names this week. Yeah, that thing is going. Oh, they had news 3 hours ago too, Nikolai. Perfect. A BTAI. Biocell. Yeah, it's halted up. Did you get in this time, Nikolai? Yeah, the dang thing is halted up. And again, like I said, ACON is halted down. FTFT does look really good. Again, this was like the number one hype stock coming into the open, anyways, though, right? If this thing wants to regain that momentum, though, it's going to need to break above 47 cents. And it looks like it. Yep, there it goes. That thing's like, say no more, say less. Technically, that's a double top until we close above, but that's a pretty nice pop. Did anybody get into FTFT? Anybody? Okay. Yes, yes, yes. I like it. Grim, say less. Say less, Grim. You just did. I'm praying for you, Stifler. You just got it now, like at the top there at 47 cents. Hopefully not. Hopefully you're in closer to 40 cents than you are to 47 cents. You missed it, AK? Yeah. So yeah. Again, whenever you're looking at the chart, Freyhada, exactly. Whenever you're looking at a chart, like we mentioned a few times, always pay attention to these levels, right? Those breakout levels, especially if the stock comes back down and it looks like it's consolidating around that range, right? Then you know that level is going to be important, especially if it's consolidating. So now, obviously, right, our next resistance is right there at 47-ish, 47 to 48 cents. 42 Stifler? Okay, good. At least you're green in that position. So yeah, now if this thing wants to cook, it's gonna need to break and close above. Like breaking above resistance is not good enough, right? It's gonna need to break and close above that double top, and then we can cook to 50 cents. 50 cents. TRNR is just coming back for the retest. So watch that 310 range already. Watch that level there. If it can stay above that, it'd be good. BTOG just hasn't given us any reason to to want to pay attention to it. The only thing we liked here was the consolidation into the open. But at the after the markets open, it really hasn't done anything. The good thing here though is that it's holding 80 cents. So if you're in a position, make sure that it stays above 80 cents. If it can, you might have a chance. If it doesn't, message Peter. He will double your monies for you. You know, you might never see the monies again, but he will double it. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, again, FTFT, clear resistance up there. Check Coinbase, called me silly, just made $800 at the open, made another done for the day, Wall Street. Have I said silly this morning on stream, guys? Have I said those words at Wall Street? Or you just want to be a victim? You want to be a victim? I will make you a victim. Okay. Let's see. Coinbase. You got into Coinbase? There's no way. You bought puts on Friday, you said? Yeah. Unless you rebought puts this morning. Didn't say silly, but told me to be careful. Yeah, see? Be careful. Exactly. That's it. Be careful. Not silly. So good job for making monies. Okay, now we're on the same page. Yeah, be careful. The reason I say be careful is because if you're buying puts on Coinbase after a massive sell-off like that, and Trump is yapping all over the place, be very careful, right? Because it just takes one tweet from Trump and then your puts are destroyed. So be careful. Make money though. That's you for the day, Grims. Okay, sounds good. Have a wonderful night. Get some rest. I like the discipline, Grim. Stay away. I like it. Yeah, you can trade pre-markets and go hang out. I don't know what you meant by when you said that gold compet tournament though, but get some rest. Good night. See you later. Or go outside or something. Yeah, Spy's getting slapped there. Slapped. Oh, golf. Okay. It said gold tournament. I was like, wait, what's a gold tournament? So here comes Acon for to that $6 level we were asking for at the open, right? $6. So it looks like we're coming back to retest that demand zone at $6. Let's see if we can consolidate there though. right? BTOG, nothing, like zero, nothing at all, right? No signs of consolidation, no crawls above the 9, nothing, nothing, right? FTFT is looking good though. This thing will break above that resistance at some point, which is right. Kind of looks like a cup and handle, doesn't it? Next week, next week, BTI on halted and still cooking. So if you're in this one, Nikolai, I don't know if you said you got in, but if yeah, congratulations to anybody that's in this one. That looks really good. Very, very good. Very, very good. I yeah, damn, that thing is cooking. BTI. Just like that, it's gone up 102%. And it wasn't really doing much at the open, right? It just broke resistance. So that's definitely one ingredient. Um, when you're looking at something after the market's open, that's a clear ingredient. Um, like if you're looking for stocks that want to cook, right? Like breaking above that pre-market high is a really really good sign. That thing is halted up again at 444 now. Isn't that a magic number or something? Hmm. Yeah, it's halted up. So FTFT says screw your resistance, right? 48 cents, double top. As if it doesn't break and it doesn't close above that level, it doesn't go anywhere. So we're back to retesting the bottom of the range again, right? Importance of stop losses, right? And or taking gains when you see resistance. And then if it breaks above, you can get in again if you need to. Was too random to jump in on. Yeah. So it looks like we're retesting that 37 and trying to bounce again for FTFT. Hopefully that's the case. Hopefully that's a double bottom and then it goes back up. TRNR trying to hold the same bottom, right? And now I can get rid of Coinbase, Wall Street, right? You took your monies already? Damn Bitcoin. It's like everybody woke up this morning and they're like, hey, I'm green. Let me take my monies. Let me take my monies and move on. Shish. Uh, Dan, were you holding NVIDIA? NVIDIA. Interesting. That's because. Yeah. Dang, TRNR just had a random pop here. I say random pop, but it's popping from the bottom, so that's a good thing. Have a feeling this one isn't done yet. Got greedy. Oh yeah, yeah. That would have been perfect. Especially like as soon as you saw that thing start to consolidate around $3, that would have been really nice. Bill. Yep. And now it's gone skis, obviously, right? So your next resistance up there, anywhere from 340 to 350. 2 minutes. Okay. Perfect. 299 Yogi. Beautiful. Love it. That's a very good entry. It's a very good entry. Are you taking profits or you're just keeping it for now? Yeah, so yeah, resistance 340 to 350. And then if it can break above that level, we might as well just go for that pre-market high. Right below 37. You sold half? Okay, very nice. Yep. So yeah, 350 and then 370. And then $4 after that. So that looks very, very good. ACON is still sitting at that level that we talked about, right? That $6 retest. So same bottom, right? So it's holding that demand zone. The low of the day is 590 for now, 592. So if you're playing with something like that, make sure it stays above that 590. Because if it doesn't, you're gonna see more blood, like way more blood. Yeah, yeah. Friday was very nice for TRNR. Very, very nice. You remember that 160 level? Yeah, AK, that initial entry was very good. And then that 160 bill. We should have bought 160 and then diamond handed, you know? Anyways, here comes $3.50. $3.50. FTFT is just sitting at that same bottom. So retesting the VWAP, that double bottom, and just sitting there. So 37. It's going to need to keep closing those candles above because if it doesn't, then you're looking for 33 cents. Jason, do you have a question for Riot? Riot? Yeah, it looks the exact same as the Bitcoin chart. Nice gap up, but then a sell off. So 980 might be your consolidation level and then a turnaround, as long as Bitcoin turns around as well. Right? ACON is trying, like really trying to stay above that level. $6 to 590. I should have shorted SPY on a gap up. Yeah. But then again, oh dang, that thing broke below that level and immediately went to 33 cents. FTFT. Sheesh. Immediately. Sheesh. Okay. Let's see. I kind of want that thing closer to that 30, maybe. Okay. What's the bottom of this range though? Okay. Perfect. ATM. Oh, I see. Okay. I see. Yeah, Friday was good. Friday was a lot of fun, actually. But then again, Fridays are always a lot of fun, you know? Okay, let's see. Let's see what FTFT wants to give us. Let's see if that thing can give us a bouncy. As much as I wanted 30 cents for that thing, I don't think it was getting to 30 cents. So let's see. FTFT. Give us a bounce. ACON is still sitting around $6, guys. Nothing's happening. BTOG just hasn't given us anything good, like nothing, right? As soon as it broke below that demand zone, nothing, right? TRNR, good thing you sold that thing at the top, Yogi. At least took some profits because that 340, 350 is way too strong, it seems. And then all the way back down to the same level you got in at, which is quite annoying, right? BTI is on halted, and that thing just doesn't want to stop. It actually went all the way to $4.50, 542, which is quite impressive. That's a nice pop. BTAI, very nice. When the RSI was 30, okay. What? Okay, yeah. When did those calls expire, Jason? And then FTFT, right? Let's see if we can get a bounce here. That thing is losing a lot of momentum, isn't it? Like it's either consolidating or the volume is gone. MSTX calls when the yeah. with the googly eyes. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, especially today when it consolidates and Trump is about to announce more stuff. You never know what he's going to say, but it might be crypto related. So that'd be good. That would be good. So there we go. Back about 34 cents. Z34. I think needs to reclaim that 200 EMA though. Needs to reclaim it. Otherwise, it's gonna have some issues. Tonight probably. He said Monday night, right? Monday night. Yeah. Interesting. Do, 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 do. Okay. 61. Okay. Sounds good. BTI definitely isn't stopping, but it looks like it's found some resistance at $5.30. There's a tiny supply zone at 535. So if you're in this stock, you probably should be paying yourself on the way up because we really haven't had a dip at all, right? For BTI. So market opened $2 and whatever, and it's been pumping the entire time. Right. So it's basically doubled from the market open. So the closer we are to this 535, you probably should be paying yourself. Take scaling out at the very least, right? Or if not, at least move your stop loss up. Alrighty. So there goes brand new highs. That thing's like screw your resistance, right? So oof, my goodness. If you're still holding BTI, type in yes in the chat. Right? Again, pay yourself on the way up because we've had no dips at all, right? Zero, no red candles, straight boom skis. So scale out on the way up, or at the very least, move your stop loss up, please. Because at some point, yeah, pizza. If you're in the stock pizza, you know what will be happening? The opposite side. Yeah. You have more to sell? Yeah. Good. Um yeah, FTFT really needs to get back above that 200 EMA, right? Um, like really needs to get back above that 200 EMA. And if it doesn't, then we have problems. We have problems. TRNR is actually back all the way to the top again, Yogi. Right? So the good thing is that it's holding the bottom of the range. Holding the bottoms of the range. Okay. There it goes. Brand new highs. Are you still in that same position, Yogi? Same position? Do, 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 do. Pizza. Yeah, so now BTI is back below $5 again, right? So again, pay yourself on the way up, please. Pay yourself on the way up, right? Um, yeah, I'm not quite sure what FTFT is doing here, but I think really needs to bounce. Otherwise, they're gonna slap it. Should I buy FTFT at this point? I mean, I took a smaller position, closer to that 32, with the stop loss right below 30 cents. So let's see if they can give us a bounce for FTFT. Alrighty, let's see. It's trying to. So this might just be a retest for BTI of the 9 EMA. So as long as you stay above the 9 EMA, you should be okay, Shima. If we break below, then you might have to take a bit more. But for now, you should be okay. Alrighty, and then again FTFT. Let's see what that thing gives us. All out at 340. Good sell. Very good scalpy. The damn thing does look good though. So we talked about that 350 and then 370, right? Seriously, pizza. Seriously. That thing is looking for. It's not sure what it wants to do. To enter or not to enter is the question is asking. To enter or not to enter. Please don't enter. Go up. You I was about to say, some not nice words to it, and then it's going back up. So I'm gonna be nice. Come on, FTFT, give me the monies. Give me the monies. Give me a fat green candle. I think it's like I give you something. I give you something, all right. It looked like it was bouncing until I started saying nice things, and then it's like nope. Right. So let's see if it can stay above that 30 cents. If it can, I'm okay with it. Alrighty. If it can, I'm okay with it. TRNR is looking really good though. So your next resistance, closer to that pre-market high. I think that's the high we've made. Yeah, that's the highest we've been so far. So watch 370. Alrighty. So again, still kind of playing with like break even on FTFT here, but that's becoming a bit annoying. That thing really needs to give us a bounce here. To TRNR. Come on, something break out. Something break out. Charlotte, yes to what? BTOG was a pump and dump. It was a pretty nice pump though, wasn't it? Right? If you woke up earlier this morning and you played with this thing, it was a pretty nice pump. Like I said earlier though, this thing has given us no reason to jump in at the open, like zero. Maybe at some point it will because it's retesting a really good level or it's consolidating. But other than that, like it's given us nothing. Market open straight to the abyss, right? Below the 9 EMA the entire time. So at some point, if this thing crosses back above the 9, you might have something there, Jacob. But for now, though, below the 9, below the blue line, nothing to see. Right? It's like you shall not pass. Below the blue line, you shall not pass. What you will also notice though is like your moving averages or like your technical analysis plays out way nicer once the market opens because you have institutional monies or you have bots that play along with your technicals, right? Whereas in pre-market sometimes it can be like chaos, you know. Again, FTFT is still sitting in that same range. BTI is looking like it wants to close below the 9 on that candle, so we'll see. Alrighty, but again, hopefully some of you guys took monies because that was a pretty nice pump with no dips. TRNR looks like it really wants to go for that 370. 370. Come on, do we need to chant here, guys? Come on, pizza. By the dip, FTFT, go up. Give us a green candle, like a nice fat green candle. What is it doing? What is he doing? Let's see here. Okay. Do pizza. Unbelievable. Oh, yeah. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Feel the rib, not just the tip. You wanted a chant? Yeah, it's working, pizza. Keep going. It's working. It's working. We're back to 34. Come on, pizza. Let's get above the 200 EMA. Give me monies. Give me monies. Give me monies. Damn, Bitcoin's below 90K again, guys. Unbelievable. Below 90. Why? Who knows? Anyways, who knows? Yeah, that 200 EMA is a pretty big level to be below. So it needs to get back above that. TRNR is back to that 370, right? So brand new highs of the day for this one. So very nice, very nice, very nice. TRNR 375. Oof. Ooh wee. That thing said hello, goodbye. I'm gone. Hello, goodbye. Yeah, this thing is taking all the monies. All the monies. Yeah, AK, all the monies. TRNR. $4. $4. Bill. $4. 370 and then $4. The next logical level, right? Also, you have a supply zone there, so that would be the next level to look at for TRNR. $5. $5. That means the S&P getting slapped. Oh my goodness, guys, look at this. Bitcoin is getting slapped. SPY is getting slapped. Oh my goodness, what a time to be alive, guys. What a time to be alive. Unbelievable. So the Trump news just disappear. Like everybody just forgot about it. Bitcoin reserve, where? Anyways, Peter, you don't want me to make money this morning? I need to make monies, Peter. Get FTFT pumping. I'm just kidding. Anyways, yeah, we are retesting that 200 EMA. So again, if you're holding FTFT, type in yes in the chat. Let's see if we can get a pop here. That candle really needs to close above the 200 EMA. There's like massive resistance sitting right there. Here we go. Here we go. My goodness. Here we go. 35. I think TRNR clearly is taking away, a lot of attention from the other names, which is okay, right? So yeah, resistance at $4 for TRNR. Alrighty, and then here we are testing 35 cents for FTFT. 32 cents AK, that's nice. Yeah, right. You can basically, you can take profits whenever you want or move your stop loss up to break even, right? At any point. So that's good. That's an interesting candle actually. Very interesting. Then the entire chart is in FTFT. Yeah. Come on, keep going, you rubbish stock. I think it's like, excuse me, who are you talking to? Stop loss at break even. I like it. I like it. I don't think anybody should be going red on this thing unless you bought way earlier and you already red in that position. I think just judging by the fact that it's been so weak, you want to make sure you have a stop loss at a good spot, right? Just because it's been so weak, just make sure you have a stop loss in a good spot in case it doesn't want to work out, right? Then you can say screw the stock. You moved it up, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. I like it. So let's see what it ends up doing. TRNR, like we said again, $4 resistance, right? So if you were holding this, that would have been a good level to scale out. Alrighty, and then if it can break above $4, just send it to 5. Just let it cook. BTI, did you take more profits, Shima? Looks like your next support is $4.30 at the 20. And SPY and Bitcoin, they look identical at this point. ACON is still dipping, so as soon as it broke below $6, 590, meh. BTOG. So we have this line at 56 cents. Not sure why we have it there. It must have been from last Friday. So 56 cents seems to be holding, right? And then BTI is bouncing up that 20. See 20 EMA, you're all out. Okay, good job. There it goes. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Choo, choo. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us in Discord. Alrighty? So yeah, that $4 resistance for TRNR is causing a bit of a dip, a retest. So watch 350 for a potential curl. $3.50. And here it comes. See if it can consolidate. That thing said, wait a minute. Wall up, wall up, wall up, wall up. Let me drop a line at the bottom there, actually. Yeah. Yeah, 350, 340. I think that's the level we mentioned earlier on the way up, right? So yeah, 350, 340. Just because you have a whole bunch of wicks there. Dang, they really hmm. AK, right? That thing just doesn't want to go. It's like, yeah, you guys picked the bottom, right? I don't really care though. I don't have the volume to want to go, right? And that's always something that you have to deal with. Is like, okay, yeah, you can pick a good bottom on a stock, but it doesn't mean the stock is gonna come back and cook for you, right? Your job is to find good entries and then manage it from that point, right? Right? Your job is to find good entries and then whatever it gives you from there, that you really have no control over that. So yeah, right? That's why again you need to make sure that those stop losses are at in good areas. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. At least you're protected. It's Peter's fault, by the way. Pizza's fault. We can blame pizza. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. um they're really slapping everything in the market. Slaps. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Just like popping and then coming back to the exact same spot. Pizza, just keep buying the dipskis. Now the first the sizzle, now the fizzle. Exactly, Yogi. Exactly. Like it's holding the same area, right? So that's a good thing. But damn, is that annoying? FTFT. So like I said, as long as it stays above 30 cents, I'm okay with it. But again, make sure you move your stop losses up. Make sure you're comfortable, right? Make sure your money is protected, and you should be okay. So we came back to retest the that breakout for TRNR, right? And it looks like even though that wick went below, it's holding above that range, which is a good thing. Which is a good thing. And then BTI has been the cook of the morning. It's a pretty nice bounce for the S&P. We get back to green though? Oh, that's too much to ask. Rubbish. Yeah. Ayo, Crystal. Ayo, ayo. How are you? Of course. Look, it took you out and now it's pumping. Good. I'm kidding. I'm kidding, pizza. I'm kidding. Yeah, that's annoying. That is annoying. Did you blow the account or you just went out? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Mm. Yeah, BTI is actually still looking good. Still looking good. 336. Okay, perfect. What happened, AK? Oh, TRNR? Yeah, it's playing games here now, isn't it? Yeah. No, if you're selling your crypto on the way down like that, Krista, you're just asking for violence. Don't worry, AK. We will win. Don't worry, pizza. Don't worry. Don't worry. If I don't, pizza, then I'll go minus 32 for fantasy. You know, but yeah, don't worry. We will win, pizza. TRNR. What did you put your stop loss at? What did you put your stop loss at? No, 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 no. Do, do, do. Okay. On his bed, he walks around the booking with a toothpick. Unbelievable. It was a big position in TRNR. Mm. Consolidating, so you kept stop loss tight. Hmm. Yeah, you must have had a really stop loss on this, really tight stop loss on this thing then, though. Yeah, you must have had a really tight stop loss. That's annoying, though. Yeah, you want to be very careful with those big positions, especially when you're still really, close to the open like this with a lot of volatility. AK, yeah, be careful. Be very careful, please. The one stock that isn't stopping is BTAI. Is anybody still holding this one in the chat? Anybody? Anybody still holding? Kimbella, you still in there? Nice. Congratulations. You too, Shima? Okay. Very, very nice. You sold and then got back in? Okay. AK, you're mad because you took a big position or because of the stop loss? You're about to? You're about to be in? You're about to short it at $6 and 620-ish? Both? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, you had a really tight stop loss for a big position, right? Yeah. I think what you could have done here differently is if you were going to do a big position, just scale in, right? AK? Like go small and then scale in, especially when you have the VWAP right there and the 200 right there, right? These are potential entries for you, right? So if you're gonna do that, like if your intention is to do a big position, then just slowly, go in. Oh, accidentally, dang. Oh yeah, that's frustrating. Yeah, one extra zero. Yeah, dang. Yep. You rushed. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry to hear. That's annoying. But yeah. Uh, pizza. Yep. Pizza. Get another futures account, pizza. Get another futures account. What's your question for BTOG? What's your question? FTFT is still sitting in the same stupid range, right? Again, it's a good thing that it's consolidating. My goodness, but where's the volume, right? Peter made a phone call just because, and then there goes TRNR trying to reclaim the 9 EMA. Okay, sounds good, AK. Yeah, that's fine. That is okay. Watch SPY is going to be back to 585 by end of the day. Craziness. Yeah, money can be remade. Exactly, pizza. Exactly. Uh, Interesting. I know, right, Sesh? I don't know what's happening, but Bitcoin decided that they wanted to go see what was below 90K. It's back above, but yeah. Did you short that thing, Paul? I hope you did at $6. I hope you did. And it fell. I didn't do anything, pizza. I did nothing. Mm, add a set of cash. La, 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 la. Beautiful. CTM is up 40% today. Looks like we should have held CTM from last week, Bill. CTM. $1.50, right? So yeah, that $1 ish entry for CTM, that was quite good. TSM is planning to invest $100 billion in chip manufacturing plants in the United States over the next 4 years. Damn. Oof. Damn. Trump is bringing monies, guys. Bringing monies. He wasn't kidding when he said like bring monies to the U.S. Uh, there's another headline on Twitter. So Honda is planning. Um, Honda is planning on building the new Honda Civic in Indiana instead of Mexico because of the tariffs. Sheesh. And then now TSM is planning on investing $100 billion. Damn, the dude is cooking. Cooking. Can he bring that money over to Bitcoin though? That would be nice. You know? Anyways, pizza the hater. FTFT is going back up. So as long as this stupid stock stays above 30 cents, I'm okay with it. But damn, does it need to go? Like what is this? Like what are you doing? Pizza. Stay away. You're done, Paul? You slapped it? Well done. Congratulations. You took monies from a I'm kidding. Anyways, yeah, that 200 EMA needs to be broken. Yeah, Paul, that's a good day, right? You should have hit the daily goal already, probably. So should have hit the daily goal already. Paul's next class is gonna be on how to short. Twice, 2 times. Okay, nice. How to short, how to enter the market. No, I wasn't, Peter. I was not. I was not. U.S. Health Agency says employees must respond to Doge email. Hmm. Dude, or they're fired. I'm kidding. You need the short class, yeah, yeah, yeah. I think we have a class coming up this weekend, so I don't think we're gonna do it on Friday. Maybe on Saturday, and then the following month we're gonna do Paul. Paul can maybe do a short class if he wants to. I would be so happy. There you go. Yeah, see, yeah, yeah, I like it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, that thing TRNR said bye bye bye. Bye 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 to tomorrow. Yeah, no, not this week. We have I think we want to do the next class is a dividend class. And then the following class, right? Like once a month. Yeah, we can do a short class. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you should be okay, Paul. Lots of time. Lots of time. Na, 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 na. Pizza? Yeah, tomorrow you'll be in jail. That's where you'll be. Nova is coming up from the abyss. NOVA on NOVA. NOVA from the abyss. That's a nice double bottom actually. They after warning about inadequate cash. Okay, interesting. Very interesting. Hater. Come on, FTFT. Cook pizza. Cook already. That thing's like, nope. Pizza has to win. No, he doesn't. So yeah, if you're holding CTM, your next resistance is $1.55, a double top, $1.55. And FTFT is retesting that 200 EMA again. I don't know why the damn thing just doesn't cook, just like just go, but just go. Come on, 34. Unnecessary volatility is what that is. I mean, stocks like these, tend to come back really nicely. I just don't like when they have this much negativity around them, though. Right? So the company is saying we don't have enough monies to keep running the business. So they're either going to have to do an offering at some point, right? They also got a price target, a price downgrade, but it looks like it's just a dead cat bounce for now. The SEC drops the lawsuit against Kraken, so these dudes are really, stepping back away from like fighting crypto, which as they should, right? That was, the whole thing that Trump ran on. But yeah, dropping all the lawsuits. PMAX. Let me take a look. Yeah, the volume isn't amazing, so just be careful with this one, please. And it's still red for the day. So if you were interested in this thing, I would say wait for a retest of like 45 cents, and then if it went ahead and broke above 50 cents after that, then okay, cool. Marla, alrighty. I definitely wouldn't be jumping into this thing at this price. Not the way these candles look. A retest of what, Sesh? What are you retesting? You're in at 45. Okay, not horrible then. Yeah, at least your entry is closer to like the VWAP and the 200. And then where's your stop loss? Where is your stop loss? Then Bitcoin is sheesh, look at that. Look at that pop. So Bitcoin and SPY, right? Exact same charts. So dipskis and pompies. So I bet you SPY is gonna go from red to green, especially with Trump saying that he's gonna announce something. I bet you the market's kind of run into the end of the day, maybe, right? In anticipation of like something big. Either way, we will be here to see it. 48.50 is your stop loss. Okay, sounds good. For some reason, it's just stuck at 50 cents. It's just the lack of volume. It doesn't have amazing volume, so, and that's why the candles look like that, right? Yeah, seriously, pizza. It really did. It really, really did. That's just futures. Futures. What more does FTFT need to like cook? It needs pizza's love, you know. Pizza showed some love. 10. Pizza's love. Mm, mm, mm. The crypto reserve. That's why the pop. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. They just need to keep repeating it. Just keep it on replay, and then they need to talk about the $100 billion from TSM. Here we go. Keep going, please. Doo-doo-doo. This thing has some random pops and some random dips. FTFT. Just so random. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, there we go. Are you in it now, Jacob? Yeah, that thing's looked really weak. That thing was up 400% coming into the open. Now it's up 191. It's lost the monies. Lost all the monies. All the monies. What's TRNR doing here? Looks like it came back to retest $3 again. BTI, $5. Okay. Thanks, Pfizer. Yeah, maybe the markets do hate you, pizza. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. There goes FTFT again above 35 cents. Interesting. Very, very interesting. 18. Okay. Yep. Took position. INCT. They're making new ones. The new ones are amazing. INCT or Intel. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, the INTC. You took a position at 1940. Yeah, so you took that position a while ago, though. So that's very nice. You're nice and green on that position for now, right? It looks like we've kind of talked about this level already at $25 for supply, but I think your entry was quite nice. Yeah, you got in at like a beautiful spot, right? Like look at this chart. So it looks like we've already scribbled on this chart, right? Anywhere around 19 over the past few months, like 19 has been a really good spot. So at this point, you just have to set a stop loss wherever you're happy with. You know, just give me a nice pop on on FTFT. A nice pop. Virus, virus. How are you, virus? There goes TRNR. Do, 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 do. Can we just get a pop to 36? Like, is that too much to ask for, guys, on FTFT? At this point, honestly, make sure you have a good stop loss, please. I wouldn't be letting that thing drop again to the bottom. I would not let that thing drop again to the bottom if you're still in there, please. So, why does it look like it's on the verge of giving us a fat green candle to the view app, But it's not doing it. Come on, you can do it. Don't be a slacker. This candle is going to make a decision. It's going to make a decision. You can do it. You can do it. Unbelievable. It's like a snail. Like right below 36. And then it's like, nope, I don't want to do it. Don't want to do it. Snail. Keep going, SPY. Go from red to green, please. Red to green. Jericho, you did. Made my daily goal already, but sold some more. Okay, sounds good. On AMD and Palantir. Okay. Very nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. Marla? Okay, good. Perfect. Perfect. Let me take a look again. PMAX. There you go. Perfect. Yeah, good job. Good jobs. It would be nice if Bitcoin could just consolidate above 90, Just build a little bit of support there. I don't think that's going to happen, though. I think there's just too much happening over the next week that it's either going to pump or it's going to sell off. It's not going to sit there. So that's the downside. CTM. I think your stop loss went through on that thing. CTM $1.68. All the dips virus? On what? Like this morning, you mean? Yeah. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. 27 to 50. Well done, Bill. Well done. Trump will decide on tariffs today. Put it out on Tuesday. Dang. No wonder the markets, don't have like peace yet. We pump and then we crash. So Trump will decide on tariffs today. We'll put it out on Tuesday. They're about to slap the markets again tomorrow, huh? Well, I mean, we're here for the chaos, I guess, right? Here for the violence. I mean, it seems like the entire morning it's been closer to $3, Marla. So you missed it, right? This is the third time it's been close to $3 and bounced. So you might have missed it there. Virus. No pictures. It didn't happen. No pictures virus. Tariffs on Tuesday. Manufacturing jobs back in the US, blah, blah, blah. Canada, Mexico have done a good job on the border. Mm. Yeah, I saw that like something about I was watching the news like really quickly, and there was something about like border crossings went from like 10,000 a day to like 300 for the entire month. I wonder if that's actually true, you know, or if that's just meant to be. I wonder if it's true. But then again, you have three different countries now, you know, with like troops at the border. So you would think it makes a huge difference, you know, but you would think. Can you imagine though? Like, can you imagine all the like all the people that like travel from other countries? Like, you know how people travel from like Africa all the way to like the Mexican border to cross, right? Can you imagine traveling and then you come, now you're stuck in Mexico. You better learn to like, you know, to sweep the streets. Shish. Craziness. Crazy, crazy, crazy. No one crossing? Really, Bill? Damn. I wish it was true. Oh, for you, virus? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Oh yeah, those that are processed properly. Yeah. Yep. 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 TRNR. Yeah, it's way too slow, George, isn't it? Like it's really slow, like really, really slow. So honestly, wherever you're taking your gains in that thing, that's okay. Or you know, break even, whatever, whatever, right? So just way too slow, right? The good thing is at least we got in close to the bottom, right? So if anything else, we could like easy to manage and move on. And now watch that thing is gonna cook. It's gonna randomly get the volume, randomly get the volume. Mm, mm, mm. NVD. Roma and watch. Okay. Roma. Perfect. Okay. He made $10. Yep. 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 BTI has these like random pops, like dip, consolidate, and then random pop. You can make some nice monies on these pops though, actually, like when it's consolidating. Consolidating. I wonder if today is turning into like a bit of a slow day just because of like what's potentially coming tonight and tomorrow. I wonder. Yeah, Trump just needs to hurry up honestly and get all his like rubbish out of the way so we can slow down, you know? Roma, Jill? Oh yeah. I remember, yep. I remember when CTM still looks really good. Like super slow, but it's making brand new highs. CTM. You know, just hurry up and like end the war or something. Get the tariffs over with. Just just get it done. Just get it done so we can move on. Because every day there's a brand new headline. But then again, that's what happens, on the Trump. It's just chaos. Anyways, uh, to Mexico when you end up the next back if you entered with no plans to. Yeah, exactly, Jacob. Exactly. Yep. 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 Yeah, some people are willing to take that risk, though. Just because some of the countries they're from, there's just no hope, or there's a war, or they're being, like. Yep. 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 Crazy. Bill. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Do. Google is adding a new feature to its Gemini, including AI. Uh, the ability to use live video and screen sharing to show the AI what you're seeing. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, maybe closer to $3 again here for TRNR. I think Marla was watching this one as well. Yeah, BTI is an absolute monster. That thing just dips, consolidates, Tony, and then cooks again. So it's almost back to $6 again. Yep. 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 The closer you are to $3, I mean that's the level that is to $3. That's the level that it's been bouncing at more or less. So again, consolidation, right? I can tell you haven't watched any of the education videos, Marla. I can tell. For exactly, exactly, virus, exactly. Yeah, some of these countries they're coming from, like, yeah, they're being attacked by the military, um, like life is hopeless. So they're like, you know what, like I'm gonna take the risk to go and then sent back. Yeah, and you can only understand, if you're in that position. So we definitely are blessed, more than blessed, because some of these countries are wild. No, I did not, virus. I looked at the option chain and those things were damn expensive, and like crazy expensive. But obviously I should have, because we were what, like 270 something, and now we're at 299. So yup, FTFT is coming back up. So it looks like at least we're getting higher lows. Ridiculousness. But plans when you enter, find and adjust your status. Oh, Jacob. Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. into a topless bar. Unbelievable. Resistance. La, 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 la. Tony, well done. Congratulations. Yeah, exactly. Especially $6, right? This is like the fourth time we've been to $6 and dipped. So that's a really good exit for you. Virus, okay. 325, okay. There you go. You're slightly green in that position. Hopefully it goes back up to 350 and then finally, breaks out. One was salted. uh, Unbelievable, Kaiser. 100 shares short, la, la, la. You can tell that's a bot, right? So stock, whatever that is, you can tell that's a bot. Hmm. Anyways, bots. Yeah, Tesla's back above 300. At least signs of relief, because that thing was entat. Entat. Yeah, it looks like the markets are kind of coming back to life a bit, bouncing. $3.35. BTI is just all over the place, like dip and pump and dip and pump. Shima, you completely out of this one? I think you are, right? TRNR. For the third time? Okay, sounds good. You're still in there, Kimbella? Okay. Yeah, it really needs to break above 620 and then you should be happy. Yeah. If not, again, I still think you should be scaling out though, right? At a level that it's proven to fail so many times. I still think you should be scaling out, but yeah. The S&P went back to 595 and then back to rent, so doesn't look horrible. I'm happy it's keeping most of those gains from last week though. — 534. Okay, there you go, Marla. There you go. Yeah, TRNR gave you a nice little pop there, so good entry. Oh damn! Look at look at BTI 666. Oh my days! That thing said hello. I'm here. Tony, go ask for your shares back. Tell them you want your shares back. My goodness. It's I mean it's coming back down to $6 though, so it's still in that same range, but oof, that was quite the pop. I think popped all the way to 680. Craziness. BTAI. Please give them back. Please, sir, give my shares back. There goes TRNR. Good job on the entry, Marla. Good job. Try not to go red though, right? Give them back. Yeah, looks like that last candle closed above 6, so it has room now to push to the upside. Room to push. Today feels weird, doesn't it? Like we have names that are pushing, but it doesn't like it. I don't know. Does anybody get that vibe too? Maybe that's just me. LITM is getting some life. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Again, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet and you want to join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbot. Already, come join us in Discord. Feels almost like doesn't it, Kimbella? Right? That's what I mean. Like it just feels. Today doesn't feel like a Monday. Feels like chaos. Dang, BTI said nope. I'm back. This stock is like the crackhead of this stock feels like the crackhead of the day. From 680 all the way back down to $5.20. Shush. There goes $3.50 for TRNR. There you go, Marla. Right? Don't buy the tops. Wait for the dipskis. 360. That was actually a really good retest. Did you get in this time, Bill? Yep, that was a good retest of the 200 there. And then pop. Well done. So yeah, 360 is your last resistance though, right? So just keep that in mind. If it's not breaking with some ease, you might need to take some gains. No, 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 no. Perfect, Paul. I like it. Perfect. There you go. Come on, you can do it. Breakout. What's interesting too is like this entire time BTI has been all over the place. Like it hasn't been halted. Ciao, Bob. 333. Okay. You need that 360 breakout now, Bill. Like right now. Right now. Where have you been, Bob? Where have you been? Holiday? Okay, where did you go? I need to go on holiday too, you know? I need to go on holiday. Everybody needs to go on holidays. With you, virus? I like it. I like it. South Carolina? Okay. South Carolina. Here we go. Come on. 360. You can do it. Who do I have for one-on-ones today? Let me take a look. One-on-ones. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. 26. Okay. Perfect. Over the holiday? Is it time for another one? It's always time for a holiday, you know, Tony. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. 350. Okay. Yeah, it looks like they came for your stop loss. But again, it's just failing at resistance, right? Now they're gonna go without you. The bill signal. I'm kidding. Anyways, but yeah, no, you clearly have resistance right here, right? It's one of those things again, like I always say, right? No one will ever judge you. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Straight back to the abyss. Marla, did you get out too? Did you have a stop loss? This is why it's really important to have a stop loss, guys, because there's no way in hell, no way in hell, you're going to be able to see that candle and then react, right? Like get out in time, I mean, right? So you're better off getting out and then getting back in at the same price, you know, because especially for those of you guys that got in at 320-ish, you could have sold at 350, 360, and then got back in at the same price if you really wanted to, right? And at that point, you have the cushion of gains. So yeah. That's why it's really important that you have a stop loss and a good stop loss, like not a loose stop loss, right? Because your stop loss would have executed right close to 350 bill and then it dipped, right? So yeah. Somebody said, "Excuse me, I want out." But it basically came back to retest the same bottom and then bounced back up. Excuse me, get me out, please, Bill. That was Bill's position. As soon as that stop loss hit, oof. Oof, oof, oof. Slapped. And that's what I mean too. Like today like has good opportunities, Like those opportunities are coming with like a lot of volatility, right? A lot of volatility. Pump and then dump and then pump and then dump. Let's go. S&P, what are we doing here? Are you trading today, Dan, or no? You sold at 355, Marla? Give me a high five. Well done. Good job. No diamond hands, right? Very nice. If we get there, okay. Sounds good. Your order was like 1 penny away from that little scam dip initially. Yeah, 316 bounce. 321. You're back in. Okay, there you go. Right, better than keeping the same position and then coming down twice. Right, better. 321. There goes 338. Well done, Marla. Good, very good job. There goes 344 again. They just wanted Bill out of this stock. Like, get him out, please. Get him out. Nice pop. BTI looks like it's bouncing off the view up again, so that's good. That is good. Right, Bill? Yeah. Looks like the S&P is going back to the abyss. My goodness. Yeah, but it's going to be like that until Trump is done with those tariffs. Like, it's so hard for the market to, just want to cook when it knows like bad news is potentially coming. Yeah. Exactly, virus. Exactly. I do wonder though if we have one more dip again. March is usually one of those months, that we aren't dipping in, anyways. So I wonder if we have one more retest of the bottoms and then pop. I wonder. I wish he would get rid of, like do the tariffs, like, and then start talking about like investments and all the good things. That would be nice. UK Prime Minister just said it would be a huge mistake to weaken links with the US. Oh my goodness. Shush. Everybody's scared of the States, guys. Everybody's scared of the States. They can talk trash behind the door, but when it comes to actually taking action, they're like, nah, bro. You want us to weaken our links with the US? No, 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 no. No, no, no. Let's not do that, please. And the US knows it too. The US is that bully on at the playground. They're like, we are the bully and we know it. What's anybody gonna do about it? Absolutely nothing. Sheesh. Oh my days. Yup, yup, yup. So it looks like we came back this time, Bill, to 320 again, and then bounce back to 330 with TRNR. See, something that I just found out as well is, well, over the weekend, right? As the whole thing with like Ukraine and Trump. You guys saw that, right? I mean, if you were in Discord, you did, but yeah. Anyways, maybe we don't want to get into too much drama. Husa. Uh, Look at this crazy stock, BTI, a crackhead. You can tell it's a slow day-ish. Not slow, but you can tell it's a weird day by like how quiet you guys are in the comments. Quiet. Quiet. Maybe I need to, talk about the dramatic topics. Then you guys will be all feisty. Feisty. Mm, 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 mm. $6 again. $6. You need to talk about Mullen, damn it. I know, right? And then the whole chat is gonna be yeah, all feisty. So yeah, no, I was watching the interview, right? I was watching the interview. Well, not the interview, the whole conversation between like Trump and Vance and Zelensky and stuff. And when you watch that short clip, um, you're like, yeah, yeah, get him, Trump, right? When you watch the entire clip, you're like, dang, Zelensky seems like really genuine, right? Like, he seems like he was about to cry. The dude was like, oh my goodness. You could tell like you could tell like he he was holding it in. When you're in a vulnerable position, but like you're trying to stay strong, you know. But yeah, imagine within a second. Yep. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But again, at the same time, like he might be a yeah, yeah. When you watch the entire thing, you feel a little bit sorry for him. I think it's. But at the end of the day, when you think about it, like you take yourself out of it, it really like it from another country's point of view, um, especially as a leader of another country like the States, right? From a country that's given you $300 billion, right? $300 billion. They want something in return, right? They want something in return. And then the like Europe is like, oh, it's okay. We're gonna give Ukraine like 1 point something billion dollars. Yeah, they're giving them a loan. The U.S. has been giving them free monies, basically, right? You don't think they want something in return, right? That's U.S. taxpayer monies, right? Very sad. Like it, again, like it really is sad that like people are dying on both sides, right? That's the problem. So they need to come to like a resolution really quickly. Um, yeah, they need to. But at the same time, like that's $300 billion, of like U.S. taxpayer monies. So yeah, virus. Yeah. So like Europe can make it sound like, oh yeah, we're gonna support Ukraine, we're gonna give them monies. At the same time, like it's like, okay, you guys didn't give them free monies, did you? Yeah. How much did you give them, Patricia? It's how much monies? But that like yeah. Yeah, exactly, Colin. Exactly. It's just, you just want them to come to a resolution so people can stop dying. Because I don't think I don't think you can look at any leader of any position and say, oh yeah, they're in the right position. 114 billion. That's a lot of monies, Patricia. Right? It's a lot of monies. I think you can't really put value on like people dying, right? So you can't. But if you look at it from like a leader's point of view, especially in a country that that owes a lot of money, like you guys, like the amount of monies you guys owe to other countries, right? I think i think then you start to but anyways, I don't know. I think but won't support the yeah, virus. Exactly. um yeah, he does, Patricia. He does exaggerate. He does. Yeah, no, I think they need to come. They need to find a way so people can just stop dying and stuff. Yeah, I think that's just yeah. Yep. Because if you go down the rabbit hole, you're gonna find that everybody that's involved in this is doing something suspicious. Everybody that's involved, there's always something fishy. So yeah, always. True, true. Yep. Yep. Yup. Craziness, craziness, craziness. Yeah, TRNR said, "Hey guys, slap, slap, slap." Yeah, Patricia. Yeah. Yep. So, end of the day, just they need to find a way to end it. People's lives are worth oil and land and minerals. Yeah, that's what they want, isn't it? Yep. So they just need to end the damn thing, virus, and we can move on. In that hole, and it's really mad. Gil probably is a rabbit. Do. In other news, yeah, exactly, I know, right? But then again, Tony, it's always popping. 315. Okay, you finally got your entry. There goes BTI again. So back above $6. Are you still in that position, Kimbella? Still in there? Yeah, seriously, Dan. Like it's just like look at this. Look at that. Like it's just all over the place. Like it's just and Bitcoin is below 90 again. Just unnecessary at this point. But again, there's more tariff news coming tomorrow. So what do we expect? What do we expect? Do. Seriously, Tony. One too many. Do. Mhm. Yeah, I think so too, Virus. I think so too. I think so too. I think like potentially going into the end of the week and then next week, I think we should be okay, right? I'm hoping that like they can come to like a peace deal or something. If they can find the way to come to like a deal in with like Russia, Ukraine, and the tariffs are done. Like if we get a sell off from the tariffs, like the tariffs not done, like we get a sell off, right? Like okay, we have tariffs in place, retaliation, tariffs, blah 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 blah, Dunsky. Then the market sells off on that. I think the only thing that could potentially come is in the future potential like resolutions, which would only be a good thing. So yeah, but we'll see. A reg with the deal back on the table, maybe. Yeah, we dipped to 57. That was actually quite nice. I should have kept paying attention to this one, Shima. I wanted that 60 cents. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, I'll keep an eye on it, especially if they go ahead and sign the deal, which they will at some point, Shima. Jojo, at some point. Back in the green, Bill. After the meeting, he had agreed to the deal was all written up. He clearly backed out. Oh wow, okay. Exactly, Tony. Exactly. Exactly. The reason why I didn't set an alert was because it was a Friday watch into that deal, so more of a momentum play, right? Yeah. Yep, yep, yep. Then I saw some pretty fishy videos over the weekend. I'm sure you guys have seen the videos. Varys knows what I'm talking about. I saw some pretty fishy videos from like Ukraine and stuff. Those videos were sus. It's like like we can judge from the outside, but honestly, like we have no idea what's going on. Like there's some pretty fishy stuff. But then again, that's a war. Some pretty fishy stuff. I'm like, oh my goodness, shish. Coming out since the beginning, really? Dang, I saw them for the first time. Like, oh my goodness. Like they really need to end it. Yeah, right. Shima, you saw that? Don't know where their sons are. Like really, like seriously, right? You know, like it's crazy. Like that's wild. Like you're like your son is coming back from school and then you don't see them for like they're gone skis. You don't know if they're ever coming back. Like, can you imagine that? Like, I don't think there's. Yeah, exactly, Gail. Like, you just don't know what to believe when with this stuff. Like, it's just no. I haven't seen those, Bradley. I haven't seen those. Like, it's crazy. So like we can sit here and judge, and say, oh, this person's right, this person's wrong, but honestly, we have no idea what's going on. All you know is you need it, like it needs, like it has to end. So like, because one thing's for sure, people are dying, right? The like a lot of people are dying. Yeah, crazy. Did it get slapped? Yeah. I think yeah, you're gonna need to wait for a bit of consolidation. I think closer to $3 has been good, but it's getting weaker and weaker as the day goes on, Guardian, right? So yeah, never mind is right. Unless it starts consolidating around this around, like 290 to $3. If it can start consolidating and then okay. Yeah. Yeah. What fits the agenda? Absolutely, virus. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yep. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, and honestly, like as a lead, if that's true, like as a leader of a country, like I don't think like I don't think there's any part of land that is worth anything, you know. Really? I'm gonna need to watch that later. Uh, how can you tell the inside is sold? Red candles. I believe that my wife knows what's best for me. Yeah, she does. Dan, is this your wife posting this message? Suspicious. Yeah, so TRNR is still dipping there. So yep, until it consolidates, don't just randomly buy it. In a different country, yeah, seriously, virus, seriously, seriously. Yep. Again, easy for me to say though. Like, I think if you're in a country to sign a deal, virus, like if you're in that position where like another country is willing to sign a deal with you, uh, so your people can like yeah, maybe maybe it's something to do, maybe it's something to like put the ego aside and do, because yeah, that is pretty crazy. And like stuff like that should yeah, you should take it. Yeah, exactly, virus. Stuff like that, should remind us how blessed we are, because some people in some countries, sheesh, Congressman Brandon Gill introduces bill to put President Trump on the $100 bill. Hmm. Yup. Crazy. This is all a show in crazy. Yep. To make the bill orange, Troy. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Perfect. She reads knows 100 ways to dispose of the body. Uh, the $500 bill. Did you guys ever have a $500 bill? Interesting. In Cameroon, they have a $10,000 bill. Yeah, I think that's the biggest number they have, $10,000. But then again, that's because the money is like worth almost nothing, you know. So $10,000 in one bill. I think they have it. Maybe they have a 20 and a 50. I don't remember now. Back in the 90s. Damn. Yep. I can talk for days. I know, virus. Oh, $10,000 buying your chewing gum. No kidding, virus. No kidding. Yeah, it looks like TRNR has been slapped. Right, as soon as we broke below that bottom, then yeah. Yep. 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 Everything is getting slapped. Uh, yep. Let me take a look. Top trading Nasdaq stocks on X. Hmm. CTM, yeah, no, CTM has done well. Yeah, since we were talking about this one on Friday at $1, right, Kaiser? And it just kind of sat there. Like this was it on Friday. Like it just sat there, and then it popped, and then it came back down, and then it looks like today it said thanks, bye bye, up 50% from that bottom, which is ridiculous. Causing the markets to be down. SB. Yeah, it's just all the uncertainty, right? So I think the markets were okay until we started talking about brand new tariffs on Tuesday. So brand new tariffs. I think again, it's only a matter of time. Though I think like after we get past Tuesday, it's only a matter of time before the markets start to ignore tariffs, right? Usual. Just like when we had COVID, eventually the market started ignoring COVID, right? Just like we had the when the war in Russia started, Ukraine, Russia, right? The market was struggling every day until it was like, oh, okay, oh well, whatever, right? It's only a matter of time before the market's like, yeah, screw tariffs, I don't care anymore. So I think, like Virus mentioned, this week might be like our last chaotic week, and then we can start to cook, which I don't mind. Oh, that was it. Oh wow, $1,000 bill with the queen on it. Dang. Can you imagine losing one of those bills, Troy? Sheesh. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. ACON? Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Mhm. Yeah, Tony. Yup. Dang, TRNR is getting slapped. Hopefully, you guys had stop losses and you're not diamond handing this stuff. Tesla's back to 300 and SPY with a bit of a pop here. Back to green for the day. Back to green SPY. Not bad at all. How is that? Seems a bit suspicious. No, 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 no. 2.8%. Keep going, Spy. Keep going. Give Dan some monies before his wife beats him. Purposely today. Good. I mean, again, if you stuck to the plan, right? They gave you multiple opportunities, like multiple opportunities, right? Multiple. Cross above right there. Perfect. Cross above right there. Cross below. You shouldn't be holding this thing anyways, right? So you have to stick to the plan and everything will be okay, right? Below the nine, garbage. Uh, okay. Uh, USD to what? To Lebanese pound. So one United States dollar is 80. Like wait. 90,000. Shish. 90,000. So what does like one Lebanese like what does like 90,000 buy though? Well, like what does like 90,000 what does it buy? That would be a good trip to go on. Yeah, exactly, Tony. If they let you come back, they destroyed the country. Yeah, yeah, exactly. 5 slices of bread. My goodness, very sad. Very very sad. Yep. What some of these people do to some of these countries, honestly, it's crazy, 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 crazy. Do. By the way, I've been using uh you know what the grok, however you pronounce it, the this version is way better than ChatGPT. I'm not just saying it just to say it, but Grok is way better than ChatGPT, uh, in my opinion. So, anyways, anyways, two. Yeah, like so. For example, if I asked, so we can ask the same question, right? You can ask like, "Hey, ChatGPT, what's a good price to buy Tesla?" Right, and see what the response is, and then let's ask the same question on Grok with Grok, right? So, uh, what's a good? Okay, there we go. So, like, it actually gives you like an answer that you can watch for mistakes. Yeah, for sure. And you can like, it actually gives you a level that you can look at and say, oh, you know what, this level is interesting, right? And go from there. Mm. Right. So stuff like that is yeah. What's to buy Bitcoin. Let's do Bitcoin. Do. Same price. How much is the because I know when we paid for GPT it was like tokens. uh do. So so I just want to look and see where what like its current update. Oh, okay, yeah, 93 ish. Well, that was delayed, right? But yeah, that 80 to 78, right? That would have been a good spot to buy some BTC. It's a train. It will fix it, James. Oh, cool. That's cool. That is cool. Yeah. I don't know. I just think like like my experience with this and with GPT, like this is better. Yeah. Which version of GPT are you using? Yeah, you can like send like if you want to know, just send me a DM sometime, Jericho, and you can ask the same question on GPT, and then I can ask the same question on Grok and see which one's better, right? Like I wouldn't just go ahead and get it. I would compare, I would compare. Like ask the same question on two different ones and see which one gives you a better answer. Before if you were interested. 4.0. Okay, yeah. Uh, and then we prompt in the same prompt. Okay, yeah. 36 virus 36. You did one in Hangout. Let me take a look. Equivalent in purchasing power of today. That's about 5x in the US in 2025. There's no evidence. Unbelievable. You know what? Do short people experience time differently? Unbelievable. Time perception is more tied to things like age, attention, and you know what? Troy? Ayo, Emma, how are you? Ayo, ayo. Yeah, I think it's fun to play with these, with these bots. I think it's fun. Fun. Mm, 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 mm. But I think like GPT is fine if you don't need like real time data, you know? One of these days I need to try asking it for something to make, you know? Like I let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm typing. So what if I said, like I have a tomato, right? Or then maybe something a bit more um, like ingredients, right? What do I type here? Like I have a tomato, I have a potato, right? What can I make? Give me something to make. Small bits of code to write small bits of code. Yeah, yeah. Play around with that stuff. I think it's cool. I have some vodka. What can I make? You can make a hot toddy. That's what you can make, Troy. Dang, yeah, the markets are like all over the place. All over. AMD is actually holding up well today, as it should, right? That thing's been destroyed. Holding up. Kaiser? Okay. What else? Let's go. Let's go. Let's do 3 more minutes, guys, and then hop off and go back to Discord. Sound like a deal? AJ is visiting what is that called? Big Ben. That looks very nice. Very, very nice. I like it, AJ. RD RadX. RadX. Interesting. The volume isn't crazy, but it took 6 months for an AMD complement. Yeah, well, it better stay above 100. Otherwise, it's gonna take another 6 months. Yeah, let's get to 100. If you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second, smash a like. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. Just 10 more people smash a like. Trump said to meet today with Ukraine. Wait, what? Trump to meet today on Ukraine's next step. Okay, yeah. That makes no sense, you know. Makes no sense. Just meet or don't meet. Like you meet with the president or who you meeting with. Like just get the deal done. I think this tariff issue gets resolved at the 11th hour, Dan. So tomorrow. So like tomorrow night or like Wednesday morning. Yeah, you think so? Right before they go into effect. Yep. 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 Yeah, I think again, I think by now, we can tell that with Trump, people think like, oh, he wants tariffs, tariffs, tariffs. Trump doesn't want tariffs. He wants other things. Right? He's looking for other things. That's just the type of person he is. It's never what it seems. I will be at the White House on Thursday. Shima, what are you doing at the White House? That's cool. A lot of pushing on all sides. Exactly, Dan. Exactly. So I think that was confirmed the very first time he did the tariffs on, like Canada and Mexico, right? And then all of a sudden, like, the tariffs are on pause because he got troops to protect the border. We know that's the main thing he ran on, right? Like, we need to secure the border, and he doesn't go asking for troops; he goes asking for tariffs. And then he's like, "Come meet with me," and then put borders and or no tariffs, right? Like, it's never what it seems. Yeah, you better get the tariffs fixed by Thursday, Shima. Please and thank you. That's cool. So, like, how do you get a, like, do you just, like, do you pay for it? Do you get invited, Shima? Like, how does that work? How does that work? Virus is gonna make you a shirt to wear, and then you're gonna end up in jail. SYTA. Oh, one goes through the congressman for tickets. Oh, that's cool. Okay, okay. Then go through the embassies. Okay, embassies. That is cool. That is cool. uh, they background check you. Oh, okay, okay, yeah, as they should, as they should. Give me a ticket, Shima. Virus, don't worry, I'll take your T-shirt. Stop scamming the people. Oh no, they would never let us in. Yeah. All the trash we've been talking, all the trash we talk on here. Oh yeah, they're never gonna let us in. Shima, you better change your name. You can say, "Oh, Shima, hot trades, right? Yeah, is that the same place Varys hangs out? Mm-hmm. Nope. Trump plans to eliminate income taxes on Social Security benefits, would reduce U.S. government revenues by 1.5 billion, and increase the debt ceiling by 7%. Yeah, yeah, yeah. SPGC. That thing is low key cooking. SPGC from the abyss, though. So it's still down 28%, but coming from the bottoms, it's a penny stock. Looking at the rooms, give the history etc. Oh, okay. Yeah. Well, are you allowed to take pictures, Luna? No, Luna. Ashima, are you allowed to take pictures? Look at this. Look at this, Dan. Like, look at this. We were going up, and now we're going back to the abyss. Like, it's all over the place. We're at the almost back to the lows of the day now. Almost back to the lows of the day. Crazy, huh? BTOG. Are you so? Is it at support? You're looking to get in Trazi? I mean, it looks like it's been finding a base of 45 cents. So, if I was interested in this thing, I would be looking for closer to 45 cents with the stop loss right below, or I would leave it alone until it broke back above like 40, 46 cents, 56 cents. Alrighty. Jonathan, potentially, yeah. Potentially. I mean, it's still dipping, right? So, but maybe it's going to start to consolidate above 591 and then double bottom. But that doesn't look hot, does it? So, yeah, 591 ish. Watch that level. Yep, tariffs. Tariffs. And ETC only a cell phone and ID. Okay. So when they send you to jail, they're like, "Yep, that's Shima." Yep, yep. Hmm. Interesting. Yeah, SPGC and RATX are the only two that are hitting highs of the day right now. RATX, SPGC. Yeah, yeah, it is moving nicely. Yeah, both of them are. Yeah, that SPGC just went from minus 28% to minus 19%. So, yep, nice little pop. Okay. Gail. Yep. Damn, look at TRNR, guys. Yeah. When something breaks down, sell it. Don't diamond hand it. I bet you there's someone somewhere diamond handing this thing. Oof, Lord have mercy, right? Do not diamond hand. Do not diamond hand. Like, look at this. This is nasty. Like, that is nasty. We went from $4 to $2, right? Like, when your stop loss hits, just walk away, right? When it breaks below support, walk away. Don't sit there and diamond hand. Trump says Zelensky's Russia comments. America will not put up with it for much longer. Wow, crazy, crazy, crazy. They don't like that dude. Oh my goodness, look at this thing go, guys. We went from minus 28% to minus 4%, minus 2%. SPGC, that thing is on fire. Sheesh. Goodness. Okay. Crazy. I would think like 20 cents would be the next obstacle on that thing now. So, yep. That thing said nope. Wow. 21 cents. Did anybody FOMO into this? 22 cents. Cooking. Cooking, cooking. On point. Yup. Impressive. Very, very impressive. From 10 cents to 22 cents. And not stopping. I wonder if something else happened though. Like it just randomly came back. Too rich for your blood? The 22-cent stock, Jojo? You did, Teggy? You did? Let's go. Hopefully you're taking your monies on the way up though. Hopefully you're taking your monies. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oof. We just went from 23 cents, 22.7 to 16 cents in that candle. That is nasty. Yep. Hopefully you're taking your monies. Damn. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Anyways, and then again, the other one that's looking good is RADX, right? RADX, RADX. RADX. The S&P is looking super weak. Super weak. It looks like it's kind of trying to consolidate above 591. So maybe that double bottom will become a thing there, Jonathan, right? 591. Bitcoin is just sitting at 89,000. So hopefully it consolidates and then bounces back. And it's back to 19 cents. I feel like that was selling up because of like the comments Trump is making. You get the vibe that Trump doesn't like Zelensky at all. Trump just said Zelensky just Trump and Zelensky worst statement that could have been made. So Trump isn't liking what Zelensky is saying about Russia. But yeah, so I bet you the market isn't liking that, especially when they're supposed to be making a deal, you know. But at the same time, Trump needs to get, understand, right? That there's a dude and his country is in war, right? He's not gonna like the opposition. So, but also, like, why is he so much like? Why is Zelensky so much like on social media? You know, like why? I've never like why I don't know. I just haven't heard a single comment from like from Putin, right? Why is he on social media so much? You know. Anyways, just a random thought. There might be a good reason for it. Just one of those questions you ask. Do, 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 do. Why does today seem like a penny stock type of day? Uh, uh, hmm, interesting. Ayo, savvy. Craziness, virus, craziness. We never know till the end. The people are the last to know. You know. Done for the day. Yeah, me too. Alrighty, guys. Again, three more likes. Let's go. Three more people smash a like so we can get to 100. Three more people smash a like. Let's get to 100. But we're gonna leave it here for the day, though, guys. Alrighty. And we will continue in the Discord. Deal, deal. So have a wonderful rest of the day. Be safe. Stay green, please. Don't do anything crazy, especially when there's chaos happening all over the place. Ready? Uh, yeah, yeah. Craziness. And again, smash a like before you go. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Peace, Jonathan, Savvy. If you're not a member yet and you want to join us, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbots and come join us in Discord. Later, JCM later. Virus, see you in Discord. Thank you, Jericho. Get some rest. See you in the options cooking lab. Ready? Be safe, everybody. Much love all. And Ricardo, thank you. Bye for now. See you in Discord. Thank you for smashing the like already. Much love, everybody. Bye, guys. Bye, Shima. See you in Discord. See you, Bus. Jay, bye. A cookie? I'm hungry, actually. Yeah. Bye, guys.